Hello there, it's Christian Youngren with Kaizen Automotive Consulting, bringing you more best automotive practices. Kaizen literally means change for the better, and continuous improvement is what our company is all about. Helping ourselves, helping others, and helping companies change for the better. Now, if this is your first time to our channel, and you want to improve your automotive selling skills, you want to learn how to use psychology to close more car deals, and receive unbiased reviews on dealership product and service companies, make sure you subscribe and then turn on that bell. That way you never miss out on learning anything new. Well, all right then, let's get to work. Market-based pricing, a lot of times now, again, we like to underallow on the trades. Because of that, you need to be good at trade objection, handling trades objections, right? But also, you need to make sure that you give this something called a market-based pricing explanation early on before you work figures. And the reason you want to do that is because, obviously, once you've worked figures now, they know what you're trying to do. They're like, God, now you're trying to justify it. But it goes like this, and the reason why it works so good, Jacob, is because it's the truth. So let's just role play. So you're sitting here, we're looking at a vehicle that you're going to purchase, but you've got a trade-in that's being appraised right now. And so the manager's out appraising it, you are sitting there chatting for a moment. So rather than just sit and talk about the weather or the Cubs or the Cardinals or whoever, I like to do this. So I'd say, hey Jacob, you know, while we're waiting on my manager here, you were talking about how COVID's changed so much of what businesses have had to do, masks and 6 feet apart and all that. And it got me thinking about all the changes in the car business. All the changes in the car business in the last probably 5 to 10 years. I mean, there's been a lot of changes that have actually been in the customer's favor. Mask, when's the last time you bought a car?
2 years.
Okay. And did you have to do a lot of negotiating to get a discount?
Not really.
Okay, good. Well, you won't have to do that here as well. So real quick, while we're waiting on my manager to come back from the appraisal, are you familiar with market-based pricing, that pricing structure, and then the third-party software that goes with it?
No, you can tell me some more about it though.
Okay. So market-based pricing is really just a pricing structure. And now, because of computers and whatnot, we've created really a third-party program that goes with it. So what it does is this third-party market-based pricing software, it goes out and searches the marketplace for the exact same new and used vehicles and compares the pricing. Now it's the same third-party software that you're already used to because it's pretty much everywhere in your lives. For instance, when was the last time you bought, say, milk at the grocery store?
A couple days ago.
And where'd you buy it from?
The local grocery.
Okay, so your local grocer, what they did was they went out and searched the marketplace for their competitors, and they saw what they were charging for milk. Now, then they looked at their own supply and demand for that week or that certain amount of time, and they went ahead and priced accordingly. Now, sometimes they priced their milk higher than some of their competitors, and sometimes they priced it the lowest amongst all the competitors, depending on what they were trying to do that week for goals. However, one thing's for certain is they were always competitive with that market-based pricing. They were always in there, sometimes the lowest, sometimes the highest, but never super high or never way under it. It's just right there, always being competitive. You're familiar with it. I mean, hotels.com does it, Amazon does it. Yeah. If you bought anything there on Amazon, I mean, they do it. In fact, I bet you did a little shopping for trucks before you came in here today. Am I wrong?
No, you're right.
And Jacob, would you even bother to stop in if we had our truck price way higher than everyone else?
Yeah, to take a look at it.
Yeah, exactly. That's just it. I mean, I'm not saying you're buying it. That's what I'm getting at, is just to have you come in and take a look at it, let alone possibly take one home. We had to pre-discount our vehicle. So what people had to do at dealerships for years, which was fight a little bit for discounts, you really have that already pre-discounted for you right here. So I see my manager's back from the appraisal, so let me go ahead and grab it and we'll deliver a car, okay?
Okay, cool.
Yeah. So the reason obviously we do that is this. One, it's the truth.
Yeah.
Okay? Yeah. That's the beauty of it. It's the truth. And so it really does, and and again, you did exactly, you were a good customer, because most customers are a little coy. They know where I'm going with that. But they can't deny it. They're like, well, I at least come in and look at it, I ain't buying it. I'm saying, and I'm not trying to trick you into anything. I'm just trying to get you to admit the truth, and that is that you searched high and low, especially when I knew you came in from some distance. Okay, I mean, when you come an hour and a half to 2 hours away, I had a customer who came in from Nebraska to Moline. It's a 5, 6, 7 hour drive. They get there and then they want to negotiate a little bit. Well, they kind of tip their hand coming that far.